So here are the pieces that are gonna go over to the Historic Voodoo Museum. They're all hand painted on slate. I just have to sign them. This one here is Baron Samedi. And then we have the infamous Papa Legba, the gatekeeper. And then Irazuli. Here, I was trying to start off painting Marie Laveau, and then it got, I don't know, this kind of came out instead. So those are the Loa that I created for the museum. And these guys here are part of my cute little voodoo babies. They got a lot of good mojo. I love making these as a collection. They're so cute. And that one there has a little guy down there. So yeah, we're gonna wrap all the slates up, put them in a box. Then I also created a painting for them, the Lugaru. I think I'm saying it right. So he is a creature from the bayou. Part werewolf, part man. Very haunting. So I just make sure they're all signed. For these ones, I just take a marsh pen and sign the back. Kila Arts. So before I put Papa Legba away, his colors are red, and that's his bebe there, and you see it has a cane in it. He's holding a cane, and then the symbolic 3 keys, and he is the gatekeeper. So that's why I have him sitting in front of the gate, and he's smoking. And the smoke's just kind of rising up. And also, I put him by this tree, but the tree kind of reminds me of, in New Orleans, in Congo Square, there's a bench right by a tree, and I don't know, I always get strong Papa Legba vibes there. Now for Irazuli, she has these scars on her face. Some say there's only supposed to be 2. For some reason, I put 3, but that's her bebe right there. And for Baron Samedi, his colors are the purple, and then I have part of his signature right in there, kind of like in the mist surrounding him. He has this liquor there, and then that's his bebe. And he's dressed all handsome in the cemetery. Okay, I have the box all packaged, ready to go. It's a little big. We'll see how much it ends up costing. Here it is, the Historic Voodoo Museum, New Orleans. And I'm gonna put a little sticker and then go all the way to New Orleans. Lucky guy. And as a disclaimer, I am not a practitioner of the religion, but I love the culture that surrounds it and the colorfulness and the beauty, and especially the history. And I like to paint all of the Loa, and I love New Orleans. So I'm just sharing this with you so you can understand where part of my artwork comes from.